Hi, hello and welcome to the Ricky's Drawer channel. I'm Ricky and today I'm gonna show you how to quickly set up your Adobe Photoshop to do pixel art. So I'm gonna open a new file and I'm gonna specify 32 by 32. You don't need to do in this size, you can do at any size you want. So now, with few clicks, you will be ready to do all your pixel art. First things first, we're gonna enable grid. Come to View, and you click Show Grid. As you can see, mine is customized, and you can also do the same if you go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grid, and Slices. It makes a grid like this, a subdivision. You can leave it to 1, but I like to give 16. So I know 16 here, and you got a 32, add the other square. Color you can change by here, but I will leave in a grayish tone. So now I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, I'm gonna create a new layer, and we're gonna set up our brush. You're not gonna use a brush, you're gonna use a pencil. So you hit B and you hit Shift B and you be with the pencil. You can also do this if you come here, click and hold, so you can choose the pencil tool. I got to one size pixel, you can do in other sizes. And as you can see, if I click here, it is not drawing where my cursor is. This is happening because we need to turn off snap. It's very important, you need to turn off snap, so now you can draw with more freedom and you can use your grid to guide where you are drawing. You don't need to draw with a click, you can make freehand as you like. Same goes for the eraser. I'm gonna add something here. So the eraser, you need to set up to pencil also, because if you do even at one size, it will not erase completely. So what you do, you come here and change brush to pencil. So now you can easily delete all the pixels that you want. So there you have. With the simple configuration, you can now start drawing and making your pixel art. I'm gonna show you a quick trick to change color on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to change back your setup if you are planning to do something else like photo editing or digital painting. So you can change back easily. Hold here, brush, click E, pencil to brush, then you go to View, turn on snap, and in View you can actually hide the grid. So now you got your first setup right in place. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, and always remember, if you're looking for knowledge, dig deep and dig soon.